Mandate in Massachusetts public schools, it will stay in place for an extra month. Here to answer your questions is Dr. Preethi Mehrotra, an infectious disease specialist at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center. Thanks for being with us, doctor.
Thanks for having me.
All right, the mandate was scheduled to expire this Friday, October 1st. But why do you think the state extended it another month until November 1st? Is it because of our case count?
Well, we know that masks have been an effective and additive mitigation measure throughout the pandemic. So I suspect that the state is trying to keep mitigation measures in place as vaccination rates continue to increase.
Well, Dr. Mehrotra, we know that middle and high schools, they can apply for an exemption from this mask mandate if 80% of their students and staff are fully vaccinated. So why do you think the state picked that threshold? What is special about 80%?
I've said here before that I wish there was a magical number, but there really isn't. 80% is a higher percentage, though. It's also possible that the states considered the role of new variants while formulating their approach. I think the important point here is that wherever there are higher percentages of vaccinated individuals, there's less of an opportunity for transmission.
All right, today, President Biden received his booster shot at the White House. So tell us why he specifically was eligible to get one.
Well, last week, the CDC did recommend a third dose of the Pfizer mRNA vaccine for populations at higher risk. One of these categories does include individuals 65 years and older who completed this series at least 6 months ago. So President Biden meets that eligibility criteria.
Okay, and probably trying to be an example as well, as he's been a big pusher for boosters if you're eligible, and of course the first vaccine. A very small percentage of new COVID cases, though, involve breakthrough infections. If you've tested positive after getting both doses of Pfizer, should you still be getting this booster shot?
Well, at this time, the recommendation for a third dose does not take into account an individual's prior COVID infection history, but instead is based on an individual's risk factors. Therefore, even those who've had a history of COVID breakthrough infection may be eligible for a third dose of the Pfizer vaccine. However, I do think this is a very important question that warrants further investigation.
All right, Dr. Preethi Mehrotra, an infectious disease expert at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.